I'm Blythe Reaney,
And I'm Lydia Johnstone.
and we're both doing the Level 4 Art and Design Foundation course.
What I like most about the Art and Design Foundation is the freedom and experimentation that we get, and it's really helping me to prepare for university.
And then obviously this space, which you have when we're specialising, is really nice because you have your own little space to do your certain work, and then you can see anyone else and you're inspired by everyone else's as well, which is amazing.
My name is Carl Marshall and I'm course leader for Foundation Art and Design. Well, the whole of this building is art and design. We have a whole range of great facilities, including a ceramics area. We have printmaking facilities. We have a traditional dart room, 3D workshop. And 3D workshop is really well equipped with things like a laser printer and so on. So lots of great facilities that our students access on a daily basis.
My name is Kate Bright and my job title is Art and Design Lecturer. The advantages of studying Art and Design at Nottingham College are it's a very practical subject. The students are making art every day. We have a range of studios to support their making and help them with industry standard equipment. The teachers have a very broad range of subject knowledge and years of teaching experience.